Hi, I'm Ted Cook with Really Cheap Floors. In today's video blog, we're going to talk about what floors are best for your bathroom. I never thought about doing a video like this, but our marketing people say this is important. Right now we're standing here in a Carpet Mart. This is our retail location in Murphy, North Carolina. We've had this location for about 25 years. And I can tell you there have been hundreds and hundreds of times that people have came into this building and asked me, hey, what do I want to put in my bathroom floor? So that's what we're going to talk about today. All right, the most common bathroom floor over time has been roll vinyl. As you can see, this is a roll of vinyl here. This particular print is popular in bathrooms because it's a small print. Typically, a bathroom is a small space and you don't want a big 16 or 18 inch repeat in it. So you'll see these small prints. Roll vinyl is kind of practical. Honestly, it's inexpensive. The new floors don't have to be glued down. They can be just loose laid or just stapled around the edges. That cuts back on floor prep. A lot of bathrooms have a lot of floor prep involved. You know, the floor's not smooth or there's a bad board or something. You've got toilets to pull out and frankly, it's annoying. So a floor that doesn't have to be glued down has some very real advantages. Saves you a lot of time and a lot of money. In the written blog we have on our website, we go into the complete timeline of events when you're doing a bathroom floor. You know, pulling your trim up, pulling your toilet. And if you want to know more about that from a labor perspective, you can go check that blog out. But today we're going to talk about material. So vinyl, good opportunity or a good product. It's inexpensive. It's easy to install. One downside is if you make a miscut, you've got to throw it out or live with it. That's one of the advantages then of a product like ceramic tile. Ceramic tile has been a go-to product for a number of years. The popularity of tile is waning right now, honestly. It's expensive, the labor's expensive, the supplies, you've got to buy mastic, you've got to buy grout, all that's kind of pricey. You know, if you can lay it yourself and you're doing a small area, you can go to a store and pick up a small 2 or 3 box deal for 50 cents, $1, you can come out okay. But if you're paying a professional, you're going to get in some pretty big money with ceramic tile. Ceramic tile is quite stylish. You see a tile like that, kind of odd looking, but that is what's in style right now. Another option, certainly where we made our bones, is on hardwood flooring. This is an engineered floor from, let's see, our antique collection. Engineered floors versus a solid hardwood floor. Engineers are good for a bath application because of the increased moisture. When we introduce moisture to an engineered floor like this, we don't get the cupping that we would get in a solid floor. So with the engineered floor, you've got any kind of species, width, color you want. It costs a little more than the vinyl, but you're doing a small area. So price for the material really isn't going to be the issue. The issue is going to be labor. If you're paying somebody to do that, that's where most of your money is going to go. If you can find a product that you can do yourself, you're going to save some big money, okay? And that brings us to our next product. LVP, luxury vinyl plank. It's really hard to beat these products in a bathroom right now. They're inexpensive. It's kind of hard to spend more than $2 for one unless you're shopping at my competitors. Then it's pretty easy. You know, you can go pick up a couple boxes, 2 or 3, 4 boxes of these. One of our places, we have small lots here. We love to sell for under $1. So you can buy the material really cheap. Most of them will come with an attached back, so there's no prep work to be done. You just snap it down. So you're looking at an afternoon, you've spent $100 on material, 0 money on labor. That's a pretty good deal. So anyway, that's just a quick rundown of the products that are used in bathrooms today. If you would like to know more about any of these products, we have product videos that go pretty far in depth, telling you how they're made and what their strong points and weak points are. If you have any questions, please pick up the phone and give us a call or drop us an email. We'd love to help you with that. That's ReallyCheapFloors.com.